Hello, people. This is your Abhi, and it's day 58. Alright, another really tough day. I don't know, maybe eye opening to be specific. Most of my emotions that thought were in my control all this time that I've been able to handle all of a sudden. I don't know, I wasn't able to completely handle them, and I feel really lost and I don't know, kind of a loser, I guess. Um, doesn't make any sense what I'm doing, where I'm going. I mean, still, the goal is to become a better person. How am I becoming a better person? That I cannot really judge completely myself. I don't know. I've just watched Shweta's video. He says that we have to, I don't know, at the age of 17 or something of that sort, you're still kiddish, You still don't know a lot of things out there. Yeah, which is kind of true. Haven't explored much. Don't know about the world much, except that studying will get you things and etc. The thing is, I need to develop skills. How do I do that? I had to work, yeah. I had to do things, right? I'm not able to do that either. I'm not able to completely excel in my studies. That's because I understand that I previously don't have that right attitude and mindset from childhood. I wanted to develop it now. I think if I start developing it now, of course, within a year or so, I won't turn out to be really great and achieve JEE, which I want to. But I understand my capability is not that much, and I have to increase it. But at the same time, I don't know. The world that I'm being presented is filled with successful people and success everywhere that I can't even think of failing, man. I just can't think of living just another normal life. I can't think about living the same way, in this same kind of fashion 5 years later, which might or might not change. That only time can reveal. Um, but I just can't think of being lower to this. I just can't think not being able to get richer, probably. Doing something really great and achieving within the next, 5 years, sit at some highly, paying position, doing a really great job. It's, I don't know, man. I am confused right now, a little. Although it's again comes back to the same idea that you have to develop, and that's the thing. But recently I've noticed that I don't know, I don't like people. I don't know, maybe poor people. I don't know, anyone lesser. I just want to get higher, no matter what. I don't know. I fear. I'm scared of living this normal life, maybe for the next rest of my life, which I don't know, might happen, might not happen, and it's scary. The chances of me being successful is kind of bleak right now. I don't know, should I judge myself completely on the basis of doing this exam well? Um, where where am I? I don't know. I just can't see things. I have a goal in my mind that I have to achieve something, and I have to get into this really rich position. I'm seeing the world in a very small point of view. I completely discard others, I guess. It's a completely loss. If you see, the success rate is actually very, very bleak for, I don't know, most of the Indians. Um, how others are doing, I don't really have much of idea. But I know all of us are being determined and propelled into doing good in the competitive exams. I don't know, Max. Maybe we're just not too good enough sometimes. But the thing is, we have to develop the skills. And how do I do that? It'll happen slowly. That's one thing I understand. Um, but I don't want to be here still slowly, I want to be achieving, is what I feel. I feel sorry for myself sometimes. There's so much conflicts with my emotions today, and whatever I thought was real is not real. What nonsense! I just don't know. The thing is, yes, I did have a lot of conflicts with my emotions today. I really felt like I'm back to that same guy. That was a month ago, and yeah, seems like an upturn. But the thing is, I won't give up. Let's see how things will turn out. If I still, hang on. Still being immature, probably. Determined. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next